Nel 2204, your pageant vlogger host. Subscribe.
Magandang araw Pilipinas and good day pageant lovers. Mainit na pinag-uusapan ngayon ang bagong photos ni Maria Atisa Manalo sa kakaibang gown na ito na maaari daw isuot for the finals of Miss Universe. And now let's have a quick reaction about this stunning gown na posibleng isuot ni Maria Atisa Manalo para sa finals ng Miss Universe. First look pa lang. Wow! Nude illusion mermaid gown na sobrang body-hugging. Ang ganda ng beadwork at silver embellishments. Parang kumikislap na diamonds under the lights. Yung sweetheart neckline gives that sexy yet classy vibe. Plus, yung fringe of shoulder sleeves add drama and movement. At syempre, the flowing train seals the deal. Pang queen talaga. Bagay na bagay ito kay Atisa because her angelic beauty matches perfectly with the nude tones, making her glow effortlessly. Yung silver details symbolize victory and strength. Perfect para i-represent ang Pilipinas sa global stage. Kung isusuot niya ito sa finals, I think sobrang stand out siya. The gown tells a story of elegance, power, and grace. Pero syempre, ang pinaka-importante pa rin ay how she carries it with confidence. Knowing Atisa, kayang-kaya niya ito na i-rock sa stage. For me, solid yes ang gown na ito for Miss Universe Finals. How about you guys? Do you think this is a perfect choice for Atisa? Comment down below and let's talk about it. Don't forget to subscribe para sa lahat ng mga bagong balita at mga bagong updates. Maraming salamat sa panonood at muli po, this is Nel 2204 and see you on our next vlog.